I just wanted to take a minute of your time just to talk about occlusal products, because occlusion is something that we cover obviously in a lot of detail throughout all of our courses because it underpins clinical success. But often people are like, well, where can I get these products from? And undoubtedly, the leading supplier of occlusal products in the UK is Prestige Dental. So I have worked with Prestige Dental for decades now. And the beauty of working with Prestige Dental is they sell the whole range of occlusal materials in one kind of shop that you can get them all from. So what do they sell? They sell the whole range of Dinar articulators that I talk about on the course. And to be honest with you, the Dinar articulator I would buy if I was starting in dentistry would be their very basic model, the Automark articulator. They have semi-adjustables, they have fully adjustables, they have some very, very fancy articulators, but bizarrely enough, the basic one, the more complex the job, the more likely I am to send it on that basic articulator, to be honest with you. So that is the articulator I would recommend. They also have the new 330 articulator, which is very good. Also the Dinar Mark II, but it would be the Automark I would plump for. Obviously that needs to be used with a face bow, and you can get the face bow through Prestige Dental. But what Prestige Dental also supply is the whole range of things like articulating foils, miller's forceps, which are so crucial. But they also sell these little unique products, which are very, very good. They sell an alternative to the knitted retraction cord via Pascal Dental that they sell. So obviously I use their knitted retraction cord. In addition to that, what do they also sell? They sell the very neat little things like the end cutting saws for if you get cement or bond stuck between the teeth. They also sell the clearance guides if you want to check occlusal clearance. So there's just all these little products that they sell. If you're getting more advanced, they sell the heating wax knives. So if you want to do some of your own occlusal waxing, as I do, you can buy their waxing products as well. And you know, it is really worth having a look at their website for that. Finally, they even produce and sell some of the books that I recommend on the courses as well. So it's well worth having a look at their website. And if you ever struggle finding something that you're looking for, if you email Paul, then Paul will help you out. So I hope that helps.